spill this already spilled juice and get into some reality TV. Married at First Sight, Zitobile Notami. Okay, guys, we have seen this couple, right? I'm enjoying this, guys. Ningamangali nje. I was not doing it all along because I was like concentrating. I'm really enjoying this show, right? But I want us to talk more Zitobile Notami. Have you guys realized, Uguti, Uzitobile seems to have not healed from something? Or I don't know, but for me, she is low key depressed, or it's because maybe I know what depression looks like. She's low key depressed, and then the thing that she came to the show to fulfill, it seems like it's not being fulfilled, right? Number one, she was paired with a person that she did not necessarily want, like the outer appearance. Same applies to Utami wanted a slim girl with a no mkhaba, and then she got Uzithobile. But now at their counseling session, they were discussing Uguti, what are your what is giving Utami that anxiety, right? And I think Uguti, the guy, the clinical psychologist, nailed it and said to Utami, you don't know how to react and you don't know how to handle the situation. Utami is lost, guys. Utami does not know how to handle the whole Zitobile thing because Uzitobile uyakhala. Yo, Ukro makes me want to cry. Ngibukeli TV. Like she literally makes me also want to cry. And I'm like, what is the key problem that is making Uzitobile feel like this, right? Because how are you able to give it up to a man that you are not competent with? Uthi mawuyifuna ithathe. Ayithathe, and then masaka ayithathile, don't you low key feel like you are art or something? Like, doesn't it feel like grape? Oh, I don't know. Maybe you guys will tell me better when it comes to that. And then masaka qedile ukuyithatha. How does that make you feel about yourself, considering that at this point you don't like this guy, at this point this guy is making you cry, at this point you are low key miserable? I don't know. I don't know. Like, this is the couple that is confusing me. I don't know how to. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't see them making it unless the counseling is so pashash, so to do that it penetrates through like the walls of the emotional walls. If it penetrates the emotional walls to an extent, Yoguti, the two are able to talk about whatever, more especially Uzitobile. Because wow, I don't know. I'm just confused. But I hope for her sake she will enjoy the ride, enjoy the moment, because hey, this thing looks like it's going to be a long ride for her. But yeah, you tell me what you think. Please, while you edit, do like, share, and subscribe.